Hey you guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Charlene. For those who are new to my channel, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you just click that subscribe button. This is my day 4 hair puff tutorial that I'm going to be showing you. It's very simple. This is the style that I always go to when my braid outs and my twist outs just fade away and I'm just stuck with this mess here. So right now I'm just fluffing out my hair as much as I can, and I always spritz the water on my hand to help fluff out my hair, just to stretch it out so it's more manageable for me to work with. My hair isn't dry, but it is dry, and I did not style it before I went to bed, so this ends up being my go-to style when my braid outs and my twist outs are no longer defined. I took some olive oil to my ends just to stretch them out. I'm very particular about keeping my ends of my hair moisturized because they are the oldest part of our hair, and you want to make sure that you're always moisturizing your ends as well as your roots. And right now I'm going in with the Eco Gold gel, which is really on the top of my list when it comes to favorite gels. I do not put that much around my hair, on the roots of my hair, and that's because I don't want my hair to shrink. I'm trying to keep the length that I have, so I just smooth that out and then I just brush it down, and then I just took a little bit of some edge control, not too much, about a dime size, and I just spread that around my head, and I used the brush to get that wavy look and make sure that it's all the way into my hair and I left nothing out. And right now I'm taking a shoestring. That's what I've always used since I started going natural. I'm 1 month away from being 2 years natural. I'm very excited. And I just work it up all the way to my hair. Wherever I want it, that's where I place it. And I just tie it, and right there I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to clip it right there so it's secure and I don't have to worry about it falling out. And you can never puff enough, and I just spritz some water above my head because I'm very cautious of getting my hair too wet to where it shrinks. And I always use my wide tooth comb just to pull those roots so I can get as much volume as I can. This ends up being my go-to style, usually 3 or 4 days after having a braid out or some style that never really lasts me a week. It's very convenient. I don't have to worry about my hair being in my face. And now I'm just taking the edge control to my edges and just lightly brushing them onto my big forehead. Nothing too dramatic, just so you know that I'm doing what I can right now. And of course I'm using a toothbrush. You can't go wrong with that. This is a simple video, and I've had a lot of questions about how I get my puff where it's at, and this is where it's at. Very simple. And I fluff some more, and that's about it, y'all. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. If there's anything in particular that you want to see me do, please comment below. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm just going to take this wrap and lay those edges for about 15 minutes, and then I take that off and I take my behind to work. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yes. Bye.